If you have an idea and it works, great. And if it doesn't, great. Too many try to find an answer in someone or something. Sometimes there is no clear-cut answer. Regardless if something works out, move on. Don't get so caught up in the notion that everything you touch must succeed, or that circumstances that don't go as you planned are failures and the day was a total loss. Society has conditioned so many to behave and act a certain way, that showing the world you are in a permanent state of success means you're happy. But if all you did was succeed, there would be no learning, no growth. Let go of the need to prove something. Everything is what it is. When you face any adversity, connect yourself to it. Try to thoroughly understand what's at hand. By doing so, you are able to learn different perspectives, backgrounds, and vital information that your ego blocks. Connecting yourself does not mean to attach yourself. You can be fully engaged but not chained. Because once you've attached yourself, all sorts of judgments, assumptions, and other preconceived fairy tales start to formulate. Your ego creates these attachments for your own gain, whether that be to mask your low self-esteem, choosing dead or idle time, or seeking comfort in the downfall of others. This is how we run ourselves into the ground. Even giving someone or something the benefit of the doubt kills any further apprehensions one might run with. Everyone knows what to do. That's nothing to commend. However, knowing what not to do, that's wisdom. By only connecting yourself and not attaching yourself, you remain loose and light, not tied by any false obligations. You should only focus on what is in your field of vision. Once it passes, your thoughts on it should too. Discipline yourself to be right here, right now. Too many fall under because they recognize their good fortune as boring or normal. So they begin to exhaust time by thinking what they could have done in the past, what problems may come in the future, or indulge in a temporary and short-term form of pleasure to take them away from their current present. A quick getaway. But if you let go of your pride and your ego, you realize there's nothing to run from or to look elsewhere. You will waste a great deal of time when you obsess over what is not directly in front of you. Nothing lasts forever, and seeking permanence is insane. So don't take life too serious, because we aren't going to make it out alive. Take it easy.